Want to stop guessing and start trading smarter? Before you risk real money, there are 5 trading indicators every beginner should learn. These tools won't make you rich overnight, but they can help you spot trends, momentum, and better entry points. Number 1. Moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price action and help identify the trend. If the price is above the moving average, the trend is usually bullish. If it's below, the trend may be bearish. Simple, but powerful. Number 2. RSI Relative Strength Index. RSI tells you if an asset might be overbought or oversold. A reading above 70 can signal that prices have risen too fast. Below 30, it may be oversold and due for a bounce. Number 3. MACD. The MACD helps traders spot changes in momentum. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it can suggest a buying opportunity. A cross below may indicate weakness. Number 4. Volume. Volume shows how much trading activity is happening. Big price moves backed by high volume are often more reliable than moves with low volume. Number 5. Bollinger Bands. These bands expand and contract based on market volatility. When price touches the upper or lower band, it may signal potential reversals or strong momentum. Final tip: don't try to use all 5 at once. Master 1 or 2 indicators first, combine them with good risk management, and focus on consistency. Which trading indicator do you use the most? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.